All right, so we just got the WEWE kitchen faucet. Bought this on Amazon. Got it for about 60 some dollars. Let's unveil this bad boy. All right, so right here it gives you some information, and you might want to check that. Those are a couple tips. It also gives you this activation for your warranty. Has some more information about that. It's got the email and website. And this is the directions. So you definitely want to keep these. I'll give you time to do a screenshot there and time to do a screenshot there. Let's set that there. This is a plate that you would use right there, but I'm not going to be using that. Let's pop that over. And here's the faucet itself. This is the weight here. This is the connector. And this goes, this is what's going to attach it to your counter. It's got a couple pieces in here. I'm one-handing it here today. There we go. Get rid of that. All right, so you got a rubber washer and a steel washer. And that will screw right on the bottom of here. So let's make sure we save that. We don't want to lose any of that. All right, here you've got your hot water, your cold water, and this runs all the way through. You don't have to do an attachment on this, which is cool. All you have to do is attach this. Let's take a look at it. Let's pull it out. Looks pretty good, huh? Here's the head. It's got some information here. Button activates once water pressure through sprayer will be fully retracted after attaching the weight. Okay. So anyway, this is how this works. It's got a water restrictor in it. We got to take that out. And here's your device. And I mean, it looks good. I like it. Polished, you know, nickel, I guess you would call it. And all we've got to do now is install it. And over here's where I'm going to take this old one out because it's got this rip in it. The hard part is going to be getting it out of there. So, you know, hopefully we'll be able to do that. And it doesn't look too complicated, really. Basically, just connecting these two to your hot and cold, and then screwing this here up against the counter and locking it in. Hopefully that's all we have to do. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.